Hello and welcome everyone. This is Deepanshu, your host for today's session. I believe each one of you can hear me loud and clear. If yes, can I have a quick reply from all of you guys in the chat box? Simply
Yes,
write yes if you guys can see my screen and can also hear my audio.
yes.
Okay, perfect. I can see. Okay, Ananta, thanks. Thanks, Tithi. Thanks, Niti, Dwayne, Gurpreet, Shazia. Perfect. So perfect. So all of you guys can simply hear me and also can see my screen. So assuming that all of you guys able to hear me loud and clear. So I welcome each one of you to our digital marketing master orientation class or master class, where I'll be helping you guys to understand this industry in a much better way. So before starting or before like starting this session or help you to understand each and every aspect, let me just move forward toward the agenda of this session. That what all things we are gonna cover in this particular session that will be helping you to like work in this industry to become more effective in this industry. Right. So let's quickly understand the agenda of this session, guys. So here is the agenda of the session that what all we are going to discuss in next 1.5 hours. So first, what we have is introduction. In introduction, I'll be helping you to understand about me, about I am skills, and also we will be taking your interview, guys, understanding about you guys, that what exactly you are keeping as an objective, so that I can help you throughout this session, whatever you questions you have, whatever queries you have into digital marketing space. Secondly, is what, why, and how of digital. It is basically something where I'll be helping you guys to understand that what exactly the opportunities are in this industry available and what is digital marketing, how it works, and then why you should care about this industry, right? And how you can become a master of this industry. So, what, why, and how of digital marketing, I'll be helping you. Then we have a right structure to learn digital marketing. So, right structure to learn digital marketing is something which I really want you to, each one of you to understand, because it is something which will give you a roadmap that how you become someone who can be as much as effective in digital marketing who can produce better results in comparison to other people, right? So let's say if there are marketers, there are various marketers in the industry, various people doing digital marketing related jobs. But biggest challenge of this industry is people are not effective. They know digital marketing, but they are unable to produce result. So how you can be, like you can say, stand out among those people, how you can make yourself more effective than any other like digital marketer in the industry out there, right? So that is right structure to learn will be helping you to become effective in this industry. Fourth point is how to get jobs in freelancing. I'll be helping you to understand this. And the fifth step is something where I'll be helping all of you to understand artificial intelligence in digital marketing. So how many of you already aware about artificial intelligence? How many of you have already heard about this term? Can I have a quick yes or no from you guys in the chat box itself? You simply can do it. Okay, Tithi, Dwayne, perfect. Charles, okay, Gonzalo, Shazia, Meghna, Sneha, Ananta, Manish, perfect. So I am assuming that most of you are already aware about what is AI, what is artificial intelligence. And yes, similarly, I'll be also helping you to the understand the impact of it, right? So how it is impacting digital marketing industry and how you can take the advantage of it. Advantage in the sense of that you guys can become a more effective, more productive than the other marketers in the industry using the power of AI. Right? So that is something I'll be helping you. Sixth is something which is a surprise for all of you, where I'll be helping you to just move ahead and start your journey into digital marketing domain. And that surprise is really impressive. So trust me, guys. So this is something which will really help you to move forward and take a step forward toward your journey into digital marketing learning. Okay. So let's quickly start about the introduction part. So first of all, my name, I am Deepanshu Jaiswal, guys, and I am head of marketing at I am Skills. And yes, I am someone who will be also helping you to learn various marketing techniques throughout your digital marketing journey. So I'll be helping you to design your WordPress website, landing page, and then I'll be also helping you to move ahead with marketing automation related learning. I'll be the one who will be also helping you for your AI related tools. So if I talk about how I started in 2009 as a website developer. I started designing the website in 2009. Slowly, gradually, I got my interest into digital marketing, being a designer, being a developer. So I also explored that industry. So in 2014, I become digital marketer. I learned digital marketing and started digital marketing related opportunity, explored that particular industry, worked with various clients, various of my own client as well, for whom I was designing the websites and all. Along with this, I have spent more than 8 years into digital marketing industry as a professional. After that, still I am exploring how in 2017, it was the year when I started with a marketing automation related thing. So all the expertise that I have into digital marketing, into website development. So I move into the enhance it with a latest technologies, which is called as a marketing automation. And after marketing automation in 2022, when everywhere is AI, artificial intelligence, everyone is talking about that. Then yes, in 2022, I started exploring the AI tools as well. So from past 2 years, you can say, yes, I have that kind of experience in AI tools as well. I explored various AI tools, used them, and also taught to my students in my classes, right? Apart from this, if I'll talk about IAM skills and this particular training, then this training is something that's all about me basically, right? So moving just forward toward the organization, what basically IAM skills and how we have grown. So we started in 2015, and in 2015 we have started with digital marketing master course after spending more than 10 years into the industry, right? So the founder and his fellow trainer started this program with a particularly proven learning track, right? They have implemented it on their platforms, their blogs, and they have reached millions of people. They have reached millions of audience using digital marketing skills. And the same skills they structured into a program which can help users to learn digital marketing in an effective way. And they also can reach out to the millions of people across the world and definitely can take the advantage of digital marketing related techniques. In 2016, within just 1 year, we have approximately trained more than 1,000 plus professional in digital marketing industry. And then within next 2 years, we have moved to 33 plus countries. So from India, from our location to 33 plus countries, we have reached really quick. Then in 2022 is the year when we ranked number one by India TV. And since then, Economics Time, India Times, right? And there are various other media houses who ranked us in their top list, in the highest placement record, in the most affordable programs. All these things we have ranked by various media houses. You can check those things over our website. It is very simple to navigate there. So if you want to navigate, I can just help you out to do this. So when you open our website, which is itself iamskills.com, right there you simply can check out this tab where you can see the media coverage. When you click on this tab, there you have this all the media's related information like Midday, Josh, Analytics Insight, Times Now, the statements, Analytics Insight, the Economics Time, then the Economics Time, Hindustan Times, right, India TV. So all these are education times. So all these media, the Times of India, they have mentioned us, right, for the various courses, for the various like achievement that we have done. Apart from that, there are various other options are available which you can definitely look into. But moving forward, in next 2023, we have launched a AI program. As I said, I started exploring the tools. We have embedded them into the course. And yes, that is something which given the advantage to our student. So all the people doing digital marketing there, they are someone who do the traditional marketing at that time. But since last 1 year since 2023, we are teaching it to our student where they are taking the advantage of AI-based digital marketing as well. We are using or learning the various AI tools, which is making them more effective into digital marketing domain. Right. Moving forward, that's all about the organization that how we started and grown. And in 2024, I also have something for you, which is very special, which you definitely see that most of the institutes and most of the digital marketing experts, gurus, they are even not teaching. And but that is something which is really important for your future. That is something which is really helpful and really demanding in the industry in next, let's say 1 or 2 years, right? So that is something that we will be We already added into the course and I'll be showing you that. Okay, so now it's all about you guys. So as I said, like as you are here to learn about digital marketing and understanding about digital marketing industry. So now I just wanted to understand from you what your objective is, why you want to learn digital marketing. I know there are various people have a different objective. Some of you want their first job. Some of you want to just grow their career. They stuck in their current profession. Or some of you may be restarting the career. They want to just restart the career after certain gap. They can be housewife. They can be like people on sabbatical. There are people who are already into digital marketing domain and now learning it to just upskill themselves. And also, there are people with a mindset of freelancing and passive income. Apart from this, business owner and entrepreneur. So, can I simply have from you guys what you are keeping as an objective? Write down in the chat box whatever it is. Whether you're looking to build a career or you want to grow the career, you want to restart the career, or you are upskill, entrepreneur, business owner, freelancer, passive income, anything. So, whatever you are keeping an eye over that. Okay, Charles is saying all of the above. That's great. Charles, just want to know what is digital marketing and its use in day-to-day life. Yes, Richa, I'll be covering that, so don't worry about it. Oh, this is essential field for the upcoming future. In my opinion, every company needs a digital marketer. We can get a lots of job opportunity. Absolutely. Shazia is saying she want to restart the career. That's great. Sarah is looking to start a business and freelancing. Okay. Pawan want to start career and upskill. Perfect. Duane want to upskill. Okay, that's great. What about others, guys? Write down quickly in the chat box. Ananta want to upskill as well. Okay, and build a career. Perfect. What about rest of you guys? Quickly write down in the chat box, guys. Then we can move forward. Okay, I'm looking to update my knowledge. Perfect, Gonzalo. Upskill and restart the career. Understood, Niti? Okay, that's great. For the right job. Yeah, definitely. What is the scope of digital marketing as a career for salespeople? Sure, Sapna, I'll be coming on that, taking your questions as well. This is essential in my opinion. Okay. Just want to know what is digital marketing and its use in day-to-day life. So I have two questions here. One is from Richa, that what is the use of digital marketing in day-to-day life? And other one is what is the scope of digital marketing as a career for salespeople? Right. Okay, and Shilpi and Pratibha said restart the learning, restart the career, restart the career. Raman is saying for learning. Perfect, guys. So I understood most of you have an objective to restart the career, and some of you want to upskill and want to start their career into this industry or build their career into this particular industry. Sinai is saying upskill and want to know what actually digital marketing is. Okay. So guys, first let's understand basically what basically digital marketing is. So when I'm talking about what digital marketing is, how many of you are already aware about it, what digital marketing is? Can I have a quick yes and no from all of you? Okay. Gonzalo knows, Richa knows, Tithi knows, Shafiq knows. Okay. Okay, you knows, Sapna knows. Perfect. Okay, so most of you are aware, right? But let me just take all of you to the same page because some of the people are here in this session who are not aware about what exactly digital marketing is. So guys, I have, or I guess it is also important for all of you as well. So the thing I'm going to share, it is really going to help you. Okay, so I hope all of you can see this document here that I have it in front of you. Okay, perfect. Okay, so when I'm starting about or when I'm talking about digital marketing, guys, so digital marketing is basically something skills used internet platform, right? Digital marketing is something where we are using the internet as a platform. And internet as a platform, it is very huge. There is a like you can say millions and billions of people are there on the internet in today's time, right? So this is something which is the right platform for marketing. How many of you know marketing only happens where the audience is, right? Wherever the audience is, people do marketing there, right? So whether it is like, even if I'm talking about your normal traditional marketing, when you go to some mall or superstore, when you go to some, let's say, any other place where you have various audience available, then most of the time you will see the marketing only happens where the audience is, right? And right now, digital marketing is the platform. Internet is the platform where the maximum number of audiences, right? So, hello everyone. You talk about any platform, whether you talk about like video platform or you talk about content reading platform, Q&A platform, any platform you talk about. Everywhere you found millions of people are using that, right? That makes this industry so interesting because the user in this industry is very high, right? The number of user using internet is very high. So the two things are here. The first thing, population always grows, right? I hope you all are agree with me on this. Can I have a quick yes or no? Population is keep growing, right? As the population is also growing, so internet users, what do you think? Will they grow or no? Quickly, yes or no? That is also growing. Now, if I'm talking about when internet is growing, businesses over internet, will they grow or no? Okay, just allow me a second. Yeah, Richard, just give me a second. Yeah. So businesses over internet, they're also growing. Perfect. So when business is over, internet is also growing. So what do you think? The people doing marketing over businesses and people doing marketing for this businesses over internet will grow or no? Right? So this particular four questions that I asked you guys, this simply gives you the understanding of this industry, that it is basically internet-based industry, which is growing with the number of users on internet, with the number of businesses on internet or using the internet. And yes, so marketing is always like completely proportional to the number of users on any platform. So if platform users are growing, then definitely the marketing on that platform will also grow. So that is the opportunity for digital marketer. So don't think ever that it is something for 4 year, 5 year, 10 years. It is something in the industry for, let's say, next 50, 100 years. You easily can take the advantage of this particular industry, right? It is something which always keeps growing. Now let's talk about the second thing, why it is needed and what a digital marketer do, what they do. So how many of you know what digital marketers core job profile, what people expect from them? Simply write in the chat box, whatever you think, what businesses needs from you as a digital marketer. Because guys, why I'm asking this question, you all are going to be digital marketers soon. You all will learn the digital marketing, right? So before entering into this industry, you must know that what people actually need in this industry, right? So people who will be hiring you, people who will be, like you can say, hiring you as a freelancer, as an employee, or maybe if somebody is hiring you as an agency. So you must know what result they are expecting from you, right? So I have simply some of the understanding from people. Charles saying creating websites, Meghna saying to promote their product or services, Shilpi saying to promote the product, Tithi is saying how to grow company's revenue, brand presence, create content and publish on different media, SEO and SCM. That is not objective. That is a platform, Gonzalez, that you are sharing, Gonzalo. So that is the platform we use for the objectives. Shazia is saying to provide solution to their requirements and need. Solanki Richa saying increase in sales. Okay, understood. So guys, as you can see that everyone has a different thoughts related to this industry. And They are also not much aware about what their work will be as a digital marketer in the industry, right? So let's first understand what will be your job as a digital marketer. How many of you think if you understand this at the first step, that what will be your job, then you can make yourself more effective, right? If I'll say that if you already know that what other people needs, you can prepare yourself better, yes or no? Right. So this actually works every time in any industry. If you guys aware what industry needs, and based on that industry needs, you prepare yourself, then you can become effective in that industry, right? Because you are not learning anything. You are not learning some useless things. You are learning something which is really interesting or really into the industry, which is really demanding into the industry, right? So let's understand what industry people demand and what businesses needs. So when I'm talking about what businesses need, guys, so people who will be paying you as a freelancer, right? So here you can see the first thing, what every business needs, guys. Think like a business owner. Let's say you all are a business owner in this session, right? You all running a company, a business for yourself. What every business needs. Dwayne said directly that sales. Yes, it is sales. They need sales. Nidhi is saying revenue. Yes, they need revenue. If sale is happening and revenue is not coming much, then also business is in loss. Tithi is saying revenue. Yes, it is revenue. If your sales are happening, but your, let's say, marketing is expenditure or your burns of marketings are so high, still you will not make the profit, right? To make PPL aware of their presence, okay, to make people aware of their presence. Shafiq is saying profit maximization, increase the profit per day. Understood, guys? Okay, so let's talk about in numbers what people exactly need. So I am taking a business example, right? So as I'm saying that you all are business people here. So think like a business people throughout the session. Then only you can crack this industry, right? So first I'm giving you one example. Let's say there are 100 leads my business is generating. You all think that your business, right? Your business is generating 100 leads and you guys are converting out of that particular 100 leads, you guys are converting 10 sales, right? So what will be the conversion here? If I'll ask you, what will be the conversion here? Out of 100 leads, you guys simply generating 10 sales, right? So it will be a 10% of conversion, right? So let's say companies is, your company is selling, your company is generating business, but that is generating with 10% of revenue, right? 10% of conversions. Now, when I'm talking about next thing, right? This is something you really need to understand, guys. So let's say if I have to generate 20 sales, what I have to do? Simply write in the chat box. What I have to do if I have to generate 20 sales? Simply write here, guys. Double the leads, Shafiq is saying. Okay. 200 leads, increase the leads, reach target audience more, right? So you all got it right. It's 200 leads. You simply have to generate 200 leads and the conversion rate is still 10%. So how many of you think my business grown, my revenue grown or no? Yes or no? Richa is saying no. Okay. No. Sales increase. Right. Right. So actually at some level my business grows, but it is not very much impact. Right. So one of the major requirement into the industry that people are looking at. Every business wants to grow more. Every business wants to grow multiply, right? So when I'm talking about what is the first expectation of any business, that is generating leads. I'm coming on that. Lead generation or customer acquisition, right? So leads are basically interested, or you can say targeted audience that did some action, and after like doing some action, you they shared with you, or they inquired about your product. They given you their details, your name, email ID, number, or anything, whatever you need to sell them, whatever you need to share your information with them, right? So leads are basically your visitors, your customer who did some action, and now they are into your consideration or into your discussion. Got it, guys? What are leads? It is clear to all of you? Perfect. Charles, precisely, you need to share with me if you understood this. Perfect. So leads are basically very much required for any business. So when any business people think like this, okay, now I am having 100 leads, I'm generating 10 sales. So let's say just increase the number of leads and then increase my sales. So in this way, they grow their business. But that growth margin is very less, right? They still growing, they are earning more, but the efforts is are again more, and also like their expenditures are more. So everything is increasing in this, right? But one thing is there, the profit is also increasing, but at a very small level. Now you as a digital marketer, let's say if you join any company, right, or you are doing digital marketing for your business, you have to reach 2000 sales, or let's say 400 sales. How many leads you need? You need 4000 leads, right? As simple as that, with 10% of conversion. Am I right? Now let's move forward and understand this. See, doubling your lead from 100 to 200 is easy task for any digital marketer. Going for 200 to 300, 400 is also easy task. But when it comes to increasing the leads by 400%, from growing 100 to into 40, which is 4000. So 40x. If you have to increase your leads 40x, sometime you're not able to make that much growth into leads, right? Because industries don't have that much positive customer who is filling out your form, who is inquiring for your product. So leads are limited out there. Every product has a limited audience, right? Agree or no? So every time if you want to make your business grow, you cannot just increase the leads. What you also have to do, you also have to work on the other aspects which digital marketers do. The second most required object. So let's say after growing with this rate, 10 sales in 100, then 20 sales in 200 leads. So reaching to 4000 leads will be very much time taking and very much energy sucking. And also it is something which will be very much, you can say, like expenditure or marketing burns are required in this, right? What you can do, you can work along with the other strategies of digital marketing. So what are the other strategies of digital marketing? So after lead generation, what most of the businesses needs. So let's say, guys, I am asking you this question. If your business has grown at some level, you grown your business at some level, what next you want to do? You are generating good sales, you are generating, let's say, good profit, but what is your aspiration as a business? Think like a business owner quickly. If you are a business, you just want to be a business, you just want to stay a business who is earning good, keep customers. Yes, Charles. Shazia says to expand. Yes, you want to expand. And they want to grow as a brand. Is this right or no? Globalization, right? People know your brand. People know or aware about your brand across the world. People are aware about your company, your product, your services. They prefer your product and services, right? This is how it works. So let's say first I started a business, then I acquire some customers, right? I start selling to them. And once I am very good at selling to them, then I just want to think like, okay, people are going to Adidas, people are purchasing Adidas shoes. I am also making shoes. Why people are not preferring my shoes, right? Why my shoes is not like getting like sold by just a name of it? When Apple phone launch, within the same day, you will see they will be sold out, right? They have like pre-bookings, pre-orders, everything. Why? By just their brand name, right? So because everyone knows across the world about those brands, they are global brands. So brand reach is something which every business wants after reaching at certain success. Once they are at a position, they are surviving. Once they are at a position, they are earning some good profit. Now they want to build them as a brand. They want to grow as a brand. So when I'm talking about next thing is it's a brand awareness and visibility, right? So brand awareness and visibility is something which businesses needs once they achieve a certain level of a success. So now let's say how many of you guys are there who are thinking that if I do a brand increase, if I just increase my brand awareness and visibility, people will prefer me more or less if they are aware about my brand. Take one example. There are two different companies. One is Adidas. Second is your, let's say, some XYZ shoes company. Which will you prefer more, Adidas or XYZ? All of you prefer Adidas, right? Or any other brand in comparison of that XYZ company, right? So if I am generating 200 lead as a XYZ company, I will convert 10%. But if some brand is generating 200 leads, they able to convert more out of that. They don't get a 10% of conversion. Their conversion rate is high because people are trusting them more, right? So let's say if I started on my lead generation and then I start working on my brand as well. So what will happen? Initially, I was generating 100 lead, doing 10% conversion, generating 10 sales. In the next quarter, I worked on both of the things. I generated 200 leads, but I also worked on my brand. So I got conversion of 15%. And at the place of 20, I got 30 leads. Sales increase, right? So similarly, let's say working over this, that is one. After this, one another strategy which businesses use, that is revenue generation is one of the skill which businesses use. So how many of you guys are aware about Amazon, Myntra, all these companies send you emailers? They do the different tricks. They send you emailers that these products are in your cart. Complete the purchase. You receive this kind of emails or no? You all receive, right? Second, will you also receive something by upselling by the brands? Upselling, like, or you can say they have add-on products, buy this in combo, purchase this, right? You will also see the techniques that let's say I received a printer from some company, let's say Amazon. So after purchasing printer from Amazon, Amazon every month is sending me one email which is saying purchase the cartridges, purchase the A4 sheet. What do you think? Can I be a regular customer for Amazon for this or no? Can Amazon generate a repeat business from me for the relevant product that I purchased already from them or no? Right? It can. So revenue generation technique is something where you are fetching the revenue from the similar customers and you are getting the references from the similar customer. You are creating a programs for referrals for various different things, which helping you to generate revenue, which again ultimately help you to increase your conversion rate. So in next quarter, you will see that you worked on the revenue generation techniques, and whereas you grown your lead as well, you grown your brand as well. So what happens? You generated, let's say, 400 leads, right? 400 leads with 20% of conversion, let's say, right? So how many sales you have generated? Quickly, guys, how many will be? 80, right? Yeah. So to reach at 80 sales, do I require 800 leads? No, I just have to use digital marketing in a perfect way. I have to use digital marketing across different channels using all the power of digital marketing. Not only one of the things. Lead generation is one of the things. Brand promotion is the another thing. Much louder, Nidhi. I hope you can hear me. Everyone can hear me simply, yes or no? Okay, voice break. Just allow me a second. Okay, is it fine, guys? Okay, Charles can hear me. What about rest of the people? Can you quickly confirm me if you guys can hear me? Simply yes or no in the chat box. For one, okay, Shafiq, you're saying it's still breaking, but I can see most of the people can hear me properly. Okay, lagging. Okay, it's not clear. Okay, just allow me a second, guys. Okay, is this fine now? Can you just confirm me, guys, if it is fine? Okay, perfect, perfect, Nidhi. Thanks, everyone. Okay, so my question was that if I am generating 80 sales within just 400 leads with a 20% of conversion, right? So I don't have to work that much hard. I don't have to produce 80 sales or I don't have to produce 800 leads for the same number of sales. I can work upon the different aspects of digital marketing. I can work on the lead generation, then brand building, then I can work on the revenue generation. And then after this, let's say there is a one of the major objective that businesses needs is also there, and that called as a online reputation management, right? Let's say, guys, your business is growing, but you are providing a pathetic services to your customer. Your product is not good. People don't like your product. They are writing negatively about you, right? So if that is happening, what do you think? Will you able to survive in the industry? Will your graph go up? Will your percentage increase or decrease? Not able to grow, right? In this case, no, just a second, guys. Okay, yeah. So definitely your business is growing, but your business is not multiplying because whatever the additional effort you are putting, those additional efforts are draining by your reputation into the industry. So you don't ever want that your effort goes into drain, right? You don't want to, like you can say, you want to maximize your opportunities with the efforts, right? You just don't want to decrease that. So what? in this case, what we have to do, we simply have to work over this as well, so that our brand keep growing, right? The opportunity keep growing, the brand keep growing, the revenue keep growing, and the people who are experiencing my product, they also bring more customers. They also become a loyal customer of mine, right? Same like Apple mobile phone, if I'm talking about. So once a person purchase a Apple 6, they purchase the 7 as well, they purchase the 10 as well, they purchase right now the Apple 15 as well, and they also planning to buy it as Apple 16 as well, iPhone 16 as well, right? So this is happening. If you like some of the brand, if you like some of the product, you keep believing on that, right?
कल
And you,
बिरयानी नहीं बनाई मैंने।
let's buy this. This one is definitely something extraordinary, right? So people say this. Why? Because they are getting good services. So similar way, online reputation management is one of the aspects which will be also helping you to understand. And it is not like experience cannot be like, there cannot be the experience that Apple is not facing. Apple is also facing the negative experiences, right? People are finding that iPhone 15 is lagging. How many of you heard that news that iPhone 15 is lagging, has some lagging issues? You heard that, right? Right. But what makes it different? Because if somebody facing this situation, somebody facing this issue, Apple replaced their phone, right? They give that kind of assurance that we are here to help you out. If in case there is some trouble, then still people are still buying, right? So this is something which is required. It is called as an ORM, online reputation management. You also experienced that, let's say some celebrities, some politician, when their campaign is near, there's so much like they work so much on the different things, the charity works, right? They are going to the different places, they're talking to some, like, let's say disaster or like survival, right? So they are doing all these things. Why? Just to create their good reputation into the market so that people will believe on them, right? So ORM is something which also help or impact your business positively if you are taking it correctly. Now moving forward, if you're also taking it correctly, then I must say, if you are generating 400 leads with 25% of conversion, if you are doing all the things, all the efforts, and now you reached at this level, you increase your conversion rate, you optimized your conversion rate by applying different digital marketing skills, then you'll be able to generate, let's say, 100 sales. I mean, let's say, in right, only in 1000 leads, you will be able to generate your, let's say, just give me a second, guys. How many leads I need for this much? For 1600, right? If I'm just generating 1600 leads, I'll be able to convert 400 sales out of this with 25% of conversion. So this is kind of a growth your business can have. But let's say if you're just working on one of the aspects, let's say only working on the leads, then this number will be so much lesser. This number is somewhere around 160, right? With 10% conversion. But working holistically on the all digital marketing related aspects, I'll be able to increase my number of sales within short span of time. If I have to grow 4,000 leads, it will be much time taking. Rather, just optimizing my 1600 leads for 400 sales, right? So this is kind of a power of digital marketing is there, but you have to understand the power applied through different strategies. So when I'm talking about lead generation, how you simply can learn the lead generation and how you simply can generate the leads. How many of you people are aware how to generate leads? To understand this, you just look at yourself. You all guys are here in I am skills demo in our website, right? You all are here in our demo session. You visited our website. You become our leads. Some of you explored through social media. Some of you came through Google. Some of you came through, let's say, emails, right? So there are various things that we have did to help you guys to become or make you aware about our product, our services, right? So everything happens. So this is how it works. So somebody said, Shafiq said that to generate lead, we use social media, Google ad, Facebook ad. Absolutely. So I'm just showing you one of my program here. Let's say I am skills and then digital marketing. This is one of the program we have, guys. It is just to make you understand how actually it works, how you will be generating the leads, and what are the learnings will be covered here. Okay. So when I'm just moving this down, reaching over here, right? So this is the program you simply can see here. Okay, this one, right? So I'm just picking this middle one, which has all the things, or let's I have these topics you can see simply are available here. So when I'm talking about SEO, search engine optimization, there is one of the topic you guys simply can see. Then you have Google ads, then you have social media ads, right? Then you have a social media organic, then you have a email marketing. So all these topic will what they do. Let's say, how many of you are aware about what is SEO, guys? SEO is called as a search engine optimization, right? When you guys search on internet for anything, let's say I am someone who is a fat and I want to lose my weight. I am searching on the internet weight loss pills. When I'm searching this on internet weight loss pills, what do I get? I get various different things. I get these ads which are named as sponsored. So everything, whatever you see on the internet which is sponsored, that means it is paid. Companies are paying for this, right? So this is one of the paid advertisement which I will see when I'm searching for weight loss pills. Then again, sponsored. These are again something which are sponsored ads. Moving forward, I have some companies which don't have a sponsored return here. And what are these companies? These companies are something which are not paying to Google and they are called as a SEO. This is organic, right? The companies which are coming under sponsor tag, it is called as a Google ads or advertisement. So it is comes under search engine marketing, right? So precisely I'm writing here. This one is SEO where you are not paying to anything to Google, right? SEO is free. You don't have to pay them to the platform, right? And yes, Google Ads is paid, where you are paying to the platform, right? And I am writing here to just you make you understand, guys. Everything, whatever you see on the internet, which is sponsored, and that is paid ads. Rest other things, what you see on internet, which are called as organic, they are SEO, right? So these are the two things here. Now, the third method to generate your lead is social media. Somebody just said SMM. It is called as a social media marketing. And here, both things are available, organic and paid ads, similar like Google. Over the Google, you have a paid ads, you have a organic ranking. Over the social media, you also have a paid ads and organic. So all the reels, all the content you consume, which don't have a sponsored return, that is organic content. And that organic content reach to millions of people, reach to thousands of people. And yes, they comment over there, I need this product and all, right? And also apart from this, there are paid advertisement. There are paid advertisement which are also something like you will be running the ads for different audience. So let's say I am residing in Australia, or you guys are residing, let's say, in Canada, and I want to show advertisement of my product to only Canadian people. So what I simply can do, I can create a campaign over my Facebook where I'm only targeting people lives in Canada. I can make that possible. Similarly, let's say I am in India and I want to target only the people who are aged between 25 to 40 years, right? So let's say I am selling some product which is only for people who mostly use between the age of 25 to 40. So yes, I can definitely offer that to only that age bracket, right? Similarly, let's say if I'm offering something the people are already looking at. So let's say I am the one. Have you guys realized when you guys searching your internet, right? When you guys are, let's say, looking for tour and travels, or when you are exploring Dubai tour packages, Singapore tour packages, like this, various different things. After searching for those things, after exploring those things on internet, when you go to your social media, on your YouTube or any other platform, you see the same advertisement? Yes or no? Let's say I really like one shoes on Mintra and I check that shoes there. And once I check that shoe, after that, when I come back to my YouTube or come back to my Facebook, Instagram, I see the same ads are available there, right? That is also happen through paid advertisement. But that is definitely for lead generation as well. But that also help you to build your brand. So when I'm talking about brand awareness and visibility, what people do in this? In brand awareness and visibility, people also work on their brands, like they want to promote their brands and companies everywhere across the internet. Okay, Sapna is asking one question. I'm just taking that for now. Is that machine learning or AI? No, it is not machine learning or AI. It is their algorithm, your cookies. They are exploring your cookies. So whatever you are going through on the internet, that data is saved on your mobile phone or your browser or like anywhere. So they are just capturing that data. So when you install any application, have you realized they ask for the various permission? They ask for, they want to know your mic, they want your mic to be used, they want your, let's say, storage to be used, right? So they just want to get into your storage and check about what cookies you have used, what previously you have searched on the internet, and based on your previous searches and all, they show you these type of advertisement which you are already exploring. Sometime if you talk so much of one of the product near your mobile phone, let's say we are two people talking and our mobile phone is like putting aside, and my mobile, then immediately after when you open your mobile phone you will see the similar type of ads, the things you are talking about, right? That also happens. And why this happen? It is because they have your mic permission, and with your mic, then there is an algorithm which works on AI and machine learning, right? Those algorithms capture the words that you are specifically mentioning again and again, and based on those words they try to show you the ad. So if I'm keep saying Dubai packages, cricket, Virat Kohli, all these things, then I may see the similar kind of like advertisement or similar kind of, you can say, references, relevant advertisement into my mobile phone when I'm using it next time or you scrolling my so, right. So this is how it works. So this is called as a in-market audio. When you run a campaign called in-market audio in your Facebook campaigns, it is basically the same, which capture that in-market audience, which is talking about this, right? So this is one of all these things where people can capture the leads. Now, is it understood to everyone how you become a lead of some product or some company? As I search weight loss pills here, I can click on this, I can click on this, I can click on this. All companies have equal opportunity or less or more opportunity. So some of the companies who are coming on top, they have a more opportunities. Companies coming on like in bottom or in the lower side of the searches, they have a less number of opportunity, but opportunities for both of them. Agree? Yes or no? Quickly, guys, in the chat box. Okay, Shafiq. Perfect. I required from all of you guys, Gonzalo, Dwayne, if you understanding all this concept which I am sharing, I required your acknowledgement now. Ananta, Shazia, Niti, Shilpi, Sapna, perfect. Ushma. Okay, perfect, guys. So moving forward, I'm showing you now one interesting things. So let's say this is a sponsored ad, and this is one of the SEO based ad or SEO based result, which is organic. Here, one of the extension I am using, which is called as a Uber Suggest extension. You guys also can use this to check out how many people are searching for any product or service, right? So when I'm using this extension of Chrome, it is showing me keyword. Keywords means what people are searching. So weight loss pill, approximately 8,000 people are searching for this. CPC means cost per click. For every click on this link, so let's suppose I'm searching weight loss pills, and when I'm clicking on any advertisement here, not SEO, but advertisement, then Google will charge me 20 rupees, not the searcher, but the company who is running the ad, right? So the company who is running the ad, they will be charged 20 rupees for one click. Now, if I just ask you one very simple maths, can you see this website? How many people are visiting this website? Approximately 1,48,000. If 1,48,000 people you have to bring on your website with advertisement, how many money you have to spend per click is 20. And how many clicks? 1,48,000. So total number of amount you are spending is 2 crore or 29 lakh 60,000, right? It's 29 lakh 60,000 you will be spending just to get this much of audience. And what Mayo Clinic is doing, Mayo Clinic is paying nothing to Google for this. They are saving their 29 lakh rupees without running ads. They are getting their positions in SEO by working on SEO. Yes, they are saving their 29 lakhs rupees. So how many of you guys thinks approximately 30 lakhs rupees if you are saving on your marketing, your company will grow faster? Yes or no? Right. I can reduce my product cost. I can, let's say, spend it on marketing, on the brand promotion. I can spend it some other marketing expenditure. I can use this 30 lakhs to multiply my business, right? So if a business is saved this much with the power of SEO, that is impressive. And one of the thing I also want to show you, like let's say, when I'm talking about IAM skills, right? Then IAM skills, our website is also something which is getting approximately. Okay, I have this extension here. This one, Uber Suggest. So when I open any website, I can see how much traffic they guys are getting. Right. So I just open IAM skills here and show you how much traffic this website is getting. And our whole marketing, most of the marketing activities done through SEO. Right. Can you see monthly traffic of our company? It is approximately 1.3 million organic traffic, which is without advertisement. Right. So this kind of traffic our website is getting. So that kind of learning opportunity you have with us related to it. You search any company here which is into education domain, I believe like not able to found the similar kind of like availability or similar kind of a traffic there because we are very huge in terms of our marketing efforts. And that is what you guys will be learning in your program. Right, now coming to next, when I'm talking about brand, to build a brand use a very simple strategy that is called as a visualization, right? How many of you aware, whatever you read, first is listen, whatever you guys listen from some other people, that has a very short span of memory. You guys forget that easily. But whatever you read yourself, you can remember it for longer. And same way, whatever you see through your eyes, whatever you experience, you guys remember those things for very long time, right? So whatever you listen, you forget quickly. Whatever you read, that has a larger span, and whatever you see, that has a even larger, or you can say everlasting memories, right? So when I'm talking about whatever you see, then brand take the advantage of this. They run their all the brand building campaigns through images and videos, right? So they use the platform which is supported by them, which is social media. So over the social media, you can run the advertisement in video or at, let's say, images format. Apart from this, the second option is, what will be the second option where you can use images and videos? Google Ads, right? Now you just seen one of the type of Google Ads which I just shown you guys when I search for the weight loss machine. But I'm showing you now the another type of Google Ads. So let's say I am reading one of the website, let's say Times of India or India Times. When I'm just exploring this website, while I was exploring this website or reading the things over this website, I'm checking this advertisement here, right? This company DS Group, DS Group is promoting their product here. Let's say if I go to one of the post here, now even I have a more advertisement here or the different advertisement. That's DS. They are celebrating their 5 glorious years, so they are promoting themselves everywhere. They are building their brands through this. Next is this advertisement, which is ET Money. One of them, you can see the advertisement is written here, right? Then you have this Lenovo, Apple, all these options are available for the laptop, right? These are the again the advertisement visible on this, right? So there are multiple advertisement you guys will see over this page, and that is happening through Google Ads. That is happening through one of the technique in Google Ads, which is called as a display advertising, right? So this is called as a Google ad, and into Google ad there are 8 different type of advertisement, and this one is called as a display advertising. Right. So whenever you are visiting any other website, and there you will see a different type of ads of the different brands. That is one of the area which you guys can simply explore, and which is called as a display advertising, and that is also used for the brand building or remarketing, retargeting. Right. Then moving forward, apart from this, what else you can use? You can use email marketing. In email marketing, you can send the emailers to the people, to the public, to your existing customer to get them or help them to understand about your brand. Zomato does this. They send you the emailer after every now and then and telling you about their incredible achievements. Their, let's say, some one of the person ordered 9 lakh rupees of coffee from Starbucks through Zomato. How many of you heard that news? How many of you heard that news that there is one person who ordered approximately more than 9 lakhs rupees of coffees through Zomato? Mushkin coffee. The name of the coffee is Mushkin. They have a name of the coffee in their store now in Starbucks. And right, so that is kind of emailers they send to make people aware that what kind of different database or let's say different opportunity or different brand achievement they have. So they share it with public so that public can also relate with it and can also get interest in their product and service. So email marketing is also a great way to share your brand achievement. Then when I'm talking about guys revenue generation, for revenue generation also you will use the similar platform. One of them is again search engine marketing, but this time in Google Ads, you have a different type of ad, which is called as a shopping ads, right? In shopping ad, what type of shopping ads are there? So let's say I search here again, weight loss pills. When I'm searching for weight loss pills, you guys can see this advertisement is different with from this, right? This is a search ad. This is called as a search ad, Google search ad. And this one called as a Google shopping ad because it is giving you shopping kind of vibe, shopping kind of experience. You have an image, you have a feature, and the most interesting part, they are not here to capture your lead. They are not more looking to capture your lead. What they more looking for? They're more looking for you to make a purchase on their website. If you are checking out this page, guys, simply, can you just tell me what is the most highlighted thing here on this page? What is the most highlighted thing on this page? Right now in the chat box simply. Okay. So what I'm saying, guys, that when you're checking out this particular page, they have all the things are available, which are, let's say, reviews. Then you have your all the information here related to the product, all the benefits. Then you have some exciting offers, which is 3 months discount offer, 1,400 rupees and all. Save this much and buy it now is the biggest button, right? So, and also they are giving some active offers. So this is something which make people to purchase their product immediately. So this is one of the revenue generation campaign they are doing with the help of shopping ads, right? Their core objective of the people is anybody clicking on their ad, they come on this page and buy their product. They are not looking to provide information or some good insights or anything. They just want to give features and buy the product. That's it, right? So this is kind of revenue generation campaigns company also run along with their other different marketing campaigns. And yes, Google ad, shopping ad is one of them, which comes under Google ads. Then you also have social media marketing. So social media marketing is again one of the another platform which will be used in this. And here you can see the different type of ads, which when you click on those ads, most of the time these ads are related to clothes, the apparels, the t-shirts, mobile phone covers, small accessories. They just want you to click and make a purchase of their product, right?
अगर आज का खाना खत्म नहीं होगा ना तो कल मैं बिरयानी नहीं बनाऊंगा.
When you click on those ads, they directly take you to the page where the offer or timer is running. That buy it within next 2 hours. The discount is running for next 2 hours. Does that happen with you guys? Can I have quick yes or no? So that are some of the revenue generation campaign through social media that people run. Now again, as I shared with you initially, that Amazon sending me emailers for printers related equipment. Let's say when I purchase the printer, they are sending me the emailers for other product as well. Let's say for their A4 sheets, for their cartridges. So this is again the revenue generation campaign through email marketing, right? Now the next one is ORM. When I'm talking about ORM, then ORM is done through again social media. Apart from social media, you have review sites. Then you have your Q&A platforms, right? Through Q&A platforms, people do, right? And one more is email marketing. So email marketing is again one of the effective way of communication. So if you want to communicate about your brand or about your online reputation or about, let's say, any new launches of your product or new services, people use email marketing for the same. Your Shazia's mic is on. So Shazia, please unmute yourself, make yourself unmute. Okay, it's muted now. Okay, so this is what you guys can simply do to complete your marketing efforts. So let's say when you're doing your ORM, then you can use all these things. When you have to generate revenue, then you can do all these things. When you do this brand awareness and visibility campaign, then you know how to do it, how to do this. When you're talking about lead generation and customer acquisition, then you also know about this. So now I just want to connect you with this thing, right? So let's say you are just generating, when you are just applying your skills over these platform, you will be doing this. But from this to this, you have to apply all these skills, right? You have to apply across various platforms of digital marketing, right? So now I just wanted to know, is that clear to all of you guys? How you will be going ahead? What will be your journey? What will be your expectation? What are the industry's expectation? I hope all of you are aware. Can I have a quick yes or no from you guys? Perfect. Okay, that's great. Now the next thing what I'm talking about, guys, you also are aware how to reach at this, how to one by one. Let's say now if any business comes to you and consult with you and say any problem to you, let's say any business comes to you and say, okay, Raman, I am not getting good business. Can you help me out as a digital marketer? What should I do? What you simply can tell them, or what you simply can pitch them. You simply can, even if you talk these things in your interview, tell me, trust me, guys, you'll be able to get that job. Why? Because you are actually helping them to understand the different expectation and the problems and how to achieve them. So majorly businesses have a problem similar to the expectation, right? So let's say if somebody is not growing, they know this, that their brand is weak. So they comes to you and say, you do digital marketing, we want a digital marketer to promote our brand. If you go somewhere or in some of the companies, they will say that our problem is we are not able to generate so much of leads. Our competitors are taking all the leads. So you know that how to generate leads for them. So you can help them to understand, sir, these are the steps. We generate leads, we build the brands, we work on the ORM as well. And then at the end, we will be at a position, we have a highest conversion rate, we have a good profitability, right? So I hope all of you can make this understand to anyone. Can I have a quick yes from all of you guys? Right? Perfect. So, okay, thanks, Rahul. Thanks, Charles. Thanks, Pradeva. Okay, that's great. So now moving forward, guys, now how you become this person, how you become this person who can run all these things, who can do all these marketing efforts. So I was showing you this example here, our courses, where I have shown you that these are the topics that we will be covering in our program. So here you can see all the things which I just shared in my session: SEO, social media, email marketing, content writing, video editing, graphic designing. All these things will be a part of your program, right? So we have three different programs with us. One of the program is our expert program. Second one is our master's program. And third one is our leadership program. So here I'm showing you one of the program and giving you the right structure example with this. So when I'm talking about right structure, guys, we are here on this, right? So once we are here, okay, perfect. So once we are here, you guys simply can see the first step, we have a insightful learning. So what we do in this case, when you join any of our program, whether this or this, in all the program, you have a pattern, and the pattern is this structure, where first what we do, we give you the learning. We teach you the topics. So for an example, let's say you are learning the SEO. So when you learning the SEO, we give you or teach you the topics like introduction to SEO, setting up your niche, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO, all the completely the topics that we will be covering are mentioned here, right? So you will be learning all these topics. After learning these topics, what will be the next step? You will be actually doing a live practices on this. How? We give you one project, and the best part, when you are learning all these topics, trainer is teaching you live through the tools, and he will be teaching you how to use those different tools. Once they teach you how to use those different tools, then you have a tools access available here, which will be helping you. Then you have a different tools options available here, which will be helping you to work on your projects and assignment. So throughout your projects and assignment, you will be using all these tools, which we have already taught you in the class. And we also provide you the access of these tools, which you can simply take the help from the team. And also we have a complete LMS, which is your learning management system. There you have all the links of these tools are available, which you can simply use, right? So this is one. So after learning, the practices will be taken care within the program. How many of you think if you learn something and practice something, you build a better skill? Can I have a quick yes or no from all of you? Right. So this is the reason why we are doing this. We are covering assignments and projects with every aspect or every project or every module. So whether you attend SEO or you attend social media or you attend email marketing, after every particular module, you have one assignment and projects to accomplish. Apart from this, what next you have? You have a portfolio building. So what is the requirement of a portfolio building? If you just have to understand this, think like a business owner now. Why I'm asking you guys to think like a business owner? Because the people who hire you, they will be business owners, right? If I hire a digital marketer, I am hiring for my business. I am a business owner. If I'm hiring you as a freelancer, I am a business owner. I want to grow my business and need a freelancer for this, right? So whether it is a freelancer or it is a full-time job, in all the aspects, you will be working for a business. So when you think like a business owner, what happens? You will be able to understand what they do, right? So when I'm talking about think like a business owner, you need to understand this point. While you thinking like a business owner, you will be putting yourself in a situation whether you will be get hired or not, right? So think like this, and now tell me, if there are two people coming for interview, one is the person who just came there by learning some courses and did some practices, and the person is saying in the interview, I am very good at this. I worked on SEO, I worked on social media, I can help your organization to grow. If a person is telling that, or the second person is there who will be in the interview and just simply showing the projects that, sir, I have done all these projects. These are the result I produced. I can produce these kind of good results for your organization as well. I can apply all these skills on your business and can help it to grow. What do you think? Whom you will hire? Shazia is saying second one. What other people saying? Ushma is saying second. Titi is saying second. Person selected whom they want to select. Okay. I am just asking you, Richa, think like a business owner. Whom you hire? Okay. Second person. Shilpi is saying second. Sneha is saying second. Okay. So Solanki Richa, I just want to know who you hire. Sapna is hiring for the second one. Okay. So I can see most of you have a same preference, the second one. And like Richa is saying, they can hire anyone to whomsoever they want to hire. Okay. Yes, people hire the second one. Why? Because second one is showing the results, right? So you can take the same example in your friend circle also. Guys, let's say I have my car and I have to give my car to one of my friend to drive, right? So one of my friend is saying I can drive very well. Give it to me. I'll drive today. Or other person is someone whom I already shared the car, whom I already drove so many kilometers before as a passenger. So, whom I believe more? The one who is just saying the first time I can drive it very well, or the other one whom I seen driving before with me as a passenger? What do you suggest? To whom you give it? Second one, right? So, this is actually the human behavior. You give it to the people, or you believe the people who already shown you some results, right? So you are aware about their skills, they are showing you their portfolio. So portfolio is important. Okay, Richa is saying success of a business is not depends upon the marketer but the owners. Yes, depend on the owner. If the owner is hiring the right talent, if right talents are working in your company, then your business will grow. Owner alone cannot grow the business. Understand, Richa, right? So hiring is also one of the important area. So that's why I told you people are very precisely looking for the candidate in today's time who are good. They want people who can produce result. They don't want people who cannot produce result in future. So they are very precise or very specific on the requirements. Even we hire people like this. We hire people like this, the people who can produce good results. We check them, we check their portfolio. It is no matter whether they are a free fresher or 5 year of experience. We hire people who can produce good results, right? So that is something is important because those people are the one who take your business to the next level. So Richa, no, they suppress the talent so they can lead market. No, it is not like this. They, your talent cannot be suppressed. It's in your hand. If your talent is getting suppressed, maybe that is not a right company for you. You can look for something which is helping you to grow your talent and grow themselves with your talent, right? Okay, so now the next thing what I'm showing you guys here. So this is the structure. Now, after moving forward, when you have this portfolio building done, then you have a job freelancing opportunity with the help of IM skills, where you simply can see that resources. We have one of the area here where we have a job portal. In our job portal, we have a various jobs available related to the various courses, right? So in digital marketing, you have plenty of jobs available from different location. And apart from this, we have a hiring partners. These hiring partners are someone who are actually available across the industry. So we have people from UAE, we have the people from Australia, we have people from majorly every part of India. And what they do, they are hiring consultant. They hire for different companies. And those hiring consultant becomes our partner to provide students who completed our digital marketing course. They provide these students or completed our any course. They provide these students to the companies in their location, right? So if let's say someone is from Lucknow and you are looking a job in Lucknow, then we have a hiring partner from Lucknow who will be helping you in this. Similarly, if you are from Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, any other location, our hiring partner will be available and they will be helping you to connect with your local job opportunities in your area. As I said, apart from this, we also have these opportunities which are came directly on our portal. So this is also something that you will be able to get connected with. A curiosity question, why you have added I am in your company's name? We have no, I added I am names because we have find it very much useful, and that is one of the marketing techniques as well, which will be helping us. And our full name is I am Skills. Apart from this, the full form is Institute of Internet Marketing, right? What about Nepal? Yeah, definitely, Rahul, you'll be able to get it in Nepal as well because skills is something which is appreciated everywhere, right? And when I'm talking about our hiring partner, they are widely available across the globe. So you can get connected with the placement cell. They can help you the complete understanding about what all, like you can say, locations we have. You can talk to your counselor. They can also help you to understand that, right? So don't worry about it. Now moving forward, guys, I'm showing you here for after helping you with freelancing and job opportunity, we give you a upskilling option. Upskilling option, why we are giving? because digital marketing is a ever changing industry. It keeps growing, it keeps changing. So every time you have something new to learn. So today you learn something, after 2 years, you have something new available, right? So let's say if you are practicing, if you are working on your website, if you're working on company's website, if you're promoting it, but sometimes things are not working. So maybe one of the reason is the things are getting changed. Google algorithms are getting changed. The pattern is getting changed in the industry, right? So the marketing pattern changes in industry, and that changes you have to accept. And how we will be helping you with this? We're giving you a lifetime access for our course, which will be helping you to work over these companies and to keep yourself updated lifelong. You simply can see here, these are the features or exclusive feature for our programs. So here you can see one-on-one support. You can get support by trainers as well. You have a mentors. You have a certification, more than 13 to 15 certifications you will get. Virtual online live classes, which you can attend from anywhere, and it is a classroom kind of environment. Pay once, enjoy lifetime. So today you join us, and long life, right? Or throughout your life, you can access the latest content as well. So in 2024, if you are joining, and in 2030, you are again checking your course, you can check out the latest videos as well. So if I just show you one of the glimpse of my LMS account, how it works. So let's say if anybody enroll in one of my course, they get a LMS access, which is like this. Once they log in into this, they have their course available. Once they log in into their course, let's say I logged in my digital marketing course. Once they logged in into the course, they simply can check out all the things. Let's say introduction, then your WordPress session, then you have your all the session recordings, then you have your Elementor Pro version. This is the tool. Then you have a recommended tools that you will be using in your assignment and tasks. And when I click on session recordings, let's say somebody joined my course in 2020. That person can go down and can check all the session happening in 2024 as well. So same with you guys. If you join today with me, and if you want to check out latest class in 2025, you can check in your LMS account without paying anything to us. So always you can go ahead and update your skills, update yourself without paying anything to us. That is one of the important part that you will be like, we will be helping you with. Right? So how many of you think that it is something really great, or it is something really helpful for a digital marketer, that you can keep yourself updating lifelong throughout across like your years of working in the industry? What do you think, guys?
Cover once again. Okay. So this always has been added as part of this course from this year. Many students from our previous batches have come back to us and they are taking training in our program as of now. Okay.
Okay, perfect. I have a Shilpi said there. Okay. Okay, Meghna is saying, will we be having access to it after course completion? Yes, that is what I'm saying. So you have the access of this LMS even after the course.
How long the patients will be? The patients will be lifetime because we have provided.
Okay, thanks, Charles. Okay, Tithi, you also think that it is perfectly helpful? Perfect. So moving forward, I'm just showing you here again this slide. So when I'm talking about this structure, first learning, then practicing. So learning give you knowledge, practice give you practical hands-on experience, confidence. Practice give you the confidence. Portfolio. Portfolio gives the other person confidence who will be hiring, right? So when learning give you knowledge, practice gives you confidence, and portfolio give the confidence to other person that yes, this is the right person to hire. And then at the end, opportunities provided by us, definitely cracked by you. You have to appear in the interview, you have to crack that interview, and then at the end, upskilling. So for lifelong, you don't face any trouble. You can learn latest skills into digital marketing industry without paying anything to us. So how many of you think if you learn through this structure, learning, practicing, portfolio, and then opportunities, and then upskilling, will it help you throughout your digital marketing journey? Yes or no? Will this course help in banking industry as well? Ma'am, every bank do the digital marketing. There are different aspects of digital marketing, right? So most of the banking industry is doing advertising. You see Kotak Mahindra Bank is doing it, ICICI Bank is doing it, right? So here I'm sharing you one of the example between the courses. Please give faculty details. So one of the faculty is me, as I shared. Apart from me, the founder of the company, Mr. Vaibhav, he is one of the faculty who will be helping you to learn the similar kind of SEO as I shown you. You have seen the program that we have 1.3 million traffic on website through SEO. So that kind of powerful SEO he will be helping you to learn. Then you have Mr. Noman Rahman. He is one of the trainer, teach you the different aspects, Google Ads, social media, right? And then there will be another trainer who will be help. She is a brand strategist working as a head of digital marketing in digital marketing agency, Vinika, then Roma. All these trainers are someone who will be helping you throughout the like training session. So total approximately 7 to 8 trainers will be teaching you throughout your training journey. And each trainer has their expertise in some of the areas and they will be helping you with that, right? Understood? What will be the expected salary after completion the course and internship? Okay, Meghna has a one question. What will be the expected salary after completing the course and internship? So now guys, for this, I'm just showing you here my 3 different programs which are available. So as I said, there are 3 programs. So first program is expert program. In expert program, you will learn all the expert topics, which will make you an expert in SEO, social media, Google Ads, email marketing, and all the relevant subjects, right? Once you learn this, it will be just for 4 months and you will be a digital marketer and able to perform all the tasks. And there will be attached a paid internship for 2 months. In this paid internship, you will be working remotely from your home. You don't have to come anywhere, and that internship will be giving you a 6,000 rupees as a stipend, right? So once you complete this internship, you are eligible for like applying for the jobs. Or yes, after the course, you will be also able to apply for the jobs. If you don't want to do internship, you can skip that. It's optional, right? And the if I'm talking about the package for this particular course, like when anybody complete this course, as you simply said, it is written ideal for student, fresher, and beginners, right? So why we write here? All the people who want to just start their career in the industry, who want to just step in with some starting package, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh. So 3 lakh to 5 lakh is in between the package people can expect if they complete my expert course. When I'm talking about master certification, in master certification, I have something or we have something covered, which is really impressive and extraordinary. So in master program, you will learn all the things which are there into expert. But apart from this, you will learn the different aspects, which are like lead funnel creation, drop shipping and e-commerce. You have AI driven growth hacking, how to use artificial intelligence, how it will be helping you to do or reduce your time hours. So let's say if someone or some other marketer is doing the same thing into 1 day or 2 days, being an AI marketer, you can do the same thing within 10 to 15 minutes using the different AI tools. And that kind of empowerment I'll be giving you in this journey using the AI tools. Then you have a ORM is covered here. Apart from this, there are 2 things which nobody covers in the industry, and those 2 different things are one is ads on OTT platform. So someone said here, is it good for banking industry? So have you seen whenever you are looking at the, let's say any match or cricket match over any OTT platform, or even when you're looking out any web series or something, then you see the advertisement there. And those advertisement, ICICI Bank is one of the major player in OTT. They are running their advertisement OTT. There are Max Bupa, and you will also see that insurance company is Max Bupa. That's do really like great level of marketing over the OTT. So all the very big companies, right, who are earning thousands of crores, they are performing their advertisement on OTT platform, right? So it is one of the area which is required in major companies. Similarly, native advertising. So how many of you actually heard about this term, native advertising? Simply say yes or no. Okay, Meghna. Okay, I can see that most of you never heard about it. Meghna heard about it. That's great. So native advertising is again one of the aspect which will be helping you to really populate your content on a different websites. So when I'm talking about a native content, right? I'm just showing you one of the example here. Native advertising. You see, when you are reading some blogs or you are reading some articles, you see this type of recommendation of the content, right? So let's say I was reading one article and there after that I'll be seeing this kind of suggestion of different content. Have you seen this before? When you're reading some article on some website, some news or something. Can I have quick yes or no if you have seen this? So these are basically not advertisement, but these are the content available on the other websites. And they are running the native advertising to gain more visitors on their content. So for an example, let's say Shilpi, you have one website and your website, you write one article there about how to lose weight. You are writing an article, how to lose weight. So your website is not very well marketed, right? Your website is not marketed very well. Only 1,000 people are reading or reaching your website. So can your content will be visible to 1 lakh people or 1 million people? Yes or no? No. So your content is only visible to the 1,000 people who are reaching on your website. But if you want to make sure that anybody who is reading one article on Times of India, 1 million people, let's say reading the article every day. If you want to show your content to those people in suggestions, what do you think? Will your content reach grows or no? And you will show that content to the similar topics. Somebody is reading related to the weight management, and you can provide your recommendation there as your article that is helping how to lose weight quickly. So what do you think? Will people click on this or no? And try to check out your content or no? So reach of your content will increase. So right now it is used by most of the every startup, every company, or let's say even the big or small, they are running the native advertising to increase the visibility of their content by recommending it on the different websites. And that is what we will be teaching you how to do it, which is not taught by any other institute in the industry right now. So we have added these two things in 2024 because it is really impressive, or you can say one of the really important thing for a marketer in coming years. So when you see that these things are something, now OTT already replaced the traditional television, all right? So when OTTs already replaced the traditional TV channels, then yes, you have a more scope to run the ads on OTT. So this is the things what we will be covering, and this make you a standout in the industry. So this program is something which make you stand out in the industry, and it can be done by anyone who is either even a fresher or have a experience in any industry. Let's say if you have a package of 5 to 6 lakhs already, if you have 5 to 7 lakhs of package already, so you can expect the people who hire this kind of talent, they able to offer somewhere around 6 to 8 lakhs in the industry. This is the package, which is the average package. People able to crack 9 lakh, 10 lakh, 13 lakh as well, right? But you can consider an average package, which will be 6 to 8 lakh after doing this master certification course. Now the leadership program, if I'm talking about, it is a 11 months program, and it is something which is core only for the people who are on the top of the management. So somebody CXOs, business owner, leadership position people, if they want to opt for something, I suggest them to do this leadership program. Why? Because it covers something which is strong decision making using data, how to do this with the help of digital marketing tools and data driven tools, which is Power BI, how to create your own agency in digital marketing space, and then management model. So how many of you have seen the Shark Tank? You guys see the Shark Tank episodes or so, where startups are coming and pitching their companies, pitching their like product and services for funding. So when they pitch, they tell about every aspect. They tell about their financial statements, how much profit, how much EBITDA, how much market consumption, right? How much marketing burns, how much cost is involved in this. So everything. So how to do all these analysis and statements, how to create that. So that will be something you will be learning in this. So this is purely for the top management, which is covering these three topics plus all the topics of your expert, all the topics of your master. So it covers everything. Program price is also different. Expert program has a price of 41,000 rupees all inclusive. Master certification has a price of approximately 88,000 all inclusive. And yes, leadership program has a price approximately 1,80,000 all inclusive. Right? So these are the three different programs. So can I have a quick reply from all of you guys? Which particular program do you think more suitable for you to start into this industry? Can I have a quick reply from all of you? If you need expert, just write expert. If you think master, just write master. And if you think leadership, just write leadership. Okay. Titi is saying expert. Niti is saying masters. Ananta is saying masters. Meghna is expert. Sneha is for expert. Okay. Pratibha is for masters. Perfect. Niti is saying a question here. Can I get good work from home opportunity right after this course? Yes, of course, Niti, because this industry has something or many things to offer. This industry is not only something where you can go to the office and can do the regular job. This has a various other aspects. You can work as an affiliate marketer who can earn from anywhere. You can be a remote employee. You can be a part-time employee. You can work on the project basis. You can run your own agency, right? So various options are available. Okay. Pawan is for expert. Charles is for expert. Amable is for expert. Okay, perfect, Nitin. Okay, so now apart from this, I have one thing more to ask you guys. That will be, we have two different batch. One is a weekday batch, which is simply starting from the coming 20th of August. And then we have a Saturday batch, which is starting from 17th, coming 17th on Saturday itself. Right? So Saturday batch timing will be every Saturday, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., which is in the morning hour, and it is Indian timing. So if you are from any other country, you have to convert it from IST to your time zone. Or if I'm talking about weekday batch, the classes will be on every Tuesday and Thursday, and timing will be 8 to 9:30 IST. So let's say if you guys are someone who is just working Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., then you have to choose the weekday batch 8 to 9:30. And if you are someone, just give me a second, guys. There is some construction going on in the nearby office, so they just started drilling. So just allow me a second. Okay, now perfect. So what I'm saying, guys, that Saturday batch is something which will be every Saturday 10 to 1. So if you are someone who is working Monday to Friday and Saturday has a off, then you can simply choose for this batch. So can I have a quick reply that which batch you guys are more interested, weekday or weekend, like Saturday or weekdays? Tithi is saying 9:30 a.m. or p.m. 9:30 is not there. It's 8:30. It's 8 to 9:30. It's p.m. evening. Right. So it's Tuesday and Thursday, 8 to 9:30 evening time. And Saturday is something which is morning time, 10 to 1. Right? So which batch you are more interested, guys? Sneha said weekdays. Tithi said Saturdays. Okay. Charles is for weekdays. Perfect. Meghna is for weekdays. That's great. Quickly, guys. Then I'll be sharing the surprise with you so that you can go ahead and can make your enrollment with us. Pratibha is for weekdays. Okay, for Saturdays. Perfect. For Saturdays. That's great.
We have bifurcated each and every module very for their good manner so that it is understandable for everybody how to navigate to the session recording and how to navigate to the assignment recording. Okay. For example, take the example of the module
Okay, Shilpi is for Saturday, Amiable is for Saturday, weekdays. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Okay. So as I said, guys, that digital marketing can help you in every aspect. So you guys simply can go ahead and can make yourself enroll in the program using any of the program or any of the course that suits your requirement. And to do this, I'll be helping you with one offer here. But before this offer, I just want to share one thing. Just allow me a second, guys. Okay, so guys, I'm back. So what I was talking about is you can enroll for any of the program, whichever you feel that can help you. And there are two things which I'll be sharing here. One, that there is an internship. So I mentioned about internship that will be remote. You can do it from your home without even going anywhere. And the best part, you can do this internship in flexible hours. You don't have to even give your 9 to 5. So let's say all you guys are working in your offices, all you guys are working on your business. So whatever your flexible timings, you can work during that time during this internship, and you have the opportunity in expert course, you can earn up to 6,000 rupees. And in master's program, you can earn up to 20,000 rupees. So if you enroll in the master's or leadership program, you have an internship opportunity up to 20,000 rupees. And if you enroll for expert program, you have the opportunity up to 6,000 rupees, right? So that is something which will be helping you to even reduce your course fee and help you to get this amount back. So you have to pay the fees first. And after completion of your course, when you do this internship, you will get it back, right? And during this internship, you will also build your portfolio as I suggested, right? So that is something what I have to offer. Now moving forward, all the people looking for the specific batch, as you mentioned, you want to go ahead with weekdays or Saturdays, any of the batch. So I'll be sharing with you one surprise gift here. And that surprise gift will be
30%. What will happen if all the post profits get to 100%? The lesson will be changed to download certificate. Okay. And this is how you can download your certificate. This is how you get the certificate of this course.
okay. So I'll be sharing one coupon code with you guys. The coupon code will be
Batch timings, batch weeks.
15th August, right? For the Independence Day, we have this particular option available for you guys, where I'll be helping you to get a 10% discount over your course fee, whether you enroll for any of the program. You enroll for your expert program, or you enroll for the master's program, or you enroll for your leadership program, you'll be able to get this 10% discount over the fees by using this coupon code. So what I'm doing, I'm simply giving this coupon code to you guys, and you simply can use this coupon code to avail this, or my team can share with you a customized link. That customized link with 10% discount, they can share with you, and you guys can use that link to make your fee payment with discounted price, right? And as I said, all the people who enroll for the masters and leadership program, they will get internship opportunity up to 20,000 rupees. Okay, so that's the offer I would like to share with you guys. So can I have a quick reply from all of you if you have found value from this session, if you understood about the industry? Can I have a quick reply, yes or no? Or whatever your feedbacks is all about this session. Can you simply share with me, guys? Looking forward to see it. Okay, Charles, thanks. Okay, Tithi, perfect. Shafiq, it was really good session. Thank you, Shafiq.
Yes, Geeta, tell me.
Okay, perfect. Thanks, Shilpi. Thanks, Rahul. Perfect, Meghna. Thanks.
There is a possibility, yes.
Perfect.
Definitely do that. Provided, these are not doing on it.
Okay, so really thanks to all of you to share your more than 1.5 hour, approximately 2 hours I have taken from you guys. So really thanks for giving me this much of time. And in return, I'm giving you this value. Along with this, the offer I have given you is only for the people who have attended this demo session. So you can see that even the code is only shared to you guys. All the other people cannot even apply this coupon code on the website. You don't have this option available to or visible anywhere that this coupon code is valid for any other person. So this coupon code is only valid for the people who have attended this session. And yes, again, I'm saying you only can avail this for today. So this option is available on Independence Day. So by tomorrow night, we can extend it by tomorrow night, midnight. If you just avail this, then you will be able to get this 10% discount over your course fee, right? So just take the advantage of it. The hours you given, the time you given in this session, just appreciate that. And thanks for being joining with me, guys. So you've been a great audience. I have Ananta here asking one question. Is there a placement guarantee for master certification? Guys, guarantee word is itself a very complicated word. When you talk about the placement guarantee is there. Guarantee is there for the opportunities. I can, Ananta, give you multiple opportunities, but you have to clear those interviews, right? I don't know whether the Ananta is a candidate who attend my classes after the joining. I don't know whether Ananta give their his 100%. Ananta will do the assignments. Ananta will do the practices. If Ananta is someone who is not doing anything, then guarantee even cannot help Ananta. But yes, if Ananta is doing everything which we are teaching, that is for sure. Guarantee is there for Ananta. And yes, Ananta able to grab that job through the opportunity which I am giving, right? So it is very clear. Opportunities provided by the institute after completion of the course, you have to clear the interview. I cannot sit in the interview and talk about myself. You have to talk about yourself. You have to talk about your skills, right? Solanki Richa, if you can send in-depth course topic on email, I believe one of my colleague already do this, right? Or if not, I can ask him to do it. Fine, Richa, you can share your email IDs directly to me over this message. So I can ask my team to share this email with you regarding the course content, right? Perfect. Okay, so that's all. Anybody, any question you want to ask? I believe that there are one or two questions I have not like yet taken. So if anyone has any question, they can simply ask me now. It's open for everyone. They can ask your question, guys. No questions? Okay, for the weekend, only 3 hours per week. Yes, 3 hours for your live class. Apart from 3 hours, you have to give approximately 6 to 8 hours for the projects. So 3 plus 6 to 8, total 8 to 9 hours you have to give for practices plus class. Sir, can you give a quick summary about the master program? I already given. So you will learn all the expert topic in it. Apart from the expert topic, you will learn some standout topics which makes you stand out in the industry. So like you want to start your own business for e-commerce, you can do this. You learn how to create strategies using AI through lead funnel. You will also learn about ORM, online reputation management. You will learn about affiliate marketing and Google AdSense, how to earn through this. And you will learn about all these international freelancing, native advertising, OTT platform, how to run ads on this. And yes, this is something after doing all these things, you can compare with other people in the industry. They don't know all these things. They only know these things. So everyone is just learning this in the industry. But in masters, we are teaching, these are the additional skills like ODT, native, ORM, influencer marketing, lead funnel, drop shipping. These are the additional skills which you will be learning in this AI, right? Got it? Yes, Meghna, 8 to 9 hours weeklies are required to complete your course effectively. If you just want to attend class, then yes, 3 hours is enough. But apart from class, if you want to work on your assignment, projects, and all these things, then 8 to 9 hours are required. Any other question, guys? I can just scroll up to check out if any question is left by me. So I answered most of the question. In the end, we have a group projects or individual. You have both kind of projects available. Individual projects are majorly there. What will be the expected salary in completing the course and internship? I already shared. Please give faculty details. I given. Okay. Curiosity question. Okay. Okay.
Sure, definitely.
Okay. I answered most of the question, guys. I can see that I have answered all the questions. So is still anyone think that I have not answered their question, they can simply ask.
For notes.
Okay, let's come down.
Okay, so
What about notes? Are there videos? Yes, these will be the videos provided to you. Along with the videos, you will also get your pre-reading material. In pre-reading material, you have all the like details available that you will be covering in the session. Along with the pre-reading material, you will also get your ebooks and your case studies, PDFs, and you will also get your, I can show you. I actually can show you. You have simply here, when I'm talking about this, right? So once you're in any of the program, let's say in master program, when you come here and when you see, let's say WordPress website development, then here you have these steps are available to do anything. Then you have a pre-reading material, which has all the related information, right? Like what you will be covering, what all learning you will be getting in this WordPress website session. And then okay, this one is here.
all right. I hope you will
And
enjoy
apart from
this.
this, you simply can see here, you have your assignment and projects. When I click on this, the assignment is described here, what you have to do. Then you have tools, where the list of tools and the links of the tools will be available, which you will be using. And then you have a class PPTs. There, all the notes are available, which will be taught in the session, right? So these are the class notes, which you will be getting. Okay, so I hope, is it fine, amiable? Now Solanki Richa is asking one question. I want difference between IIM Skills, IIM Institute, and IIMB. See, this is very simple. We are IIM Skills, which is the institute based on professional skills. We provide professional certification courses into different skills, whether it is your digital marketing, content writing. We are not providing management programs, right? So when you're talking about those big institute or those, let's say 2 years, 3 years kind of like programs they are offering. So that is not something we are specialized into. We are offering a different specialization. We are offering like professional certification program, which can make you job ready in less time, in the less expenses, right? So if you're joining, let's say any other B schools, when you're talking about B schools offer you the management courses, and those management courses cost you up to 4 lakh, 5 lakh minimum, right? From 4 lakh, 5 lakh minimum from their executive or from their open learning kind of platform. If you want their like complete program of 2 years comprehensive one, that it will charge you up to 17 to 18 lakhs rupees, right? That is the biggest difference we have. Second difference we have, we are specialized into what we are doing. So when we are teaching you digital marketing, I have shown you, we have 1.3 million traffic on my page, on my website. So those B schools don't have 1.3 million traffic on their website. Why? Because they are not that good at digital marketing. They are good at their managements, what they are teaching. Maybe, right? They are good at their name, but we are good at the skills. So we are giving you that skills which can make you reach to millions of people. So these are the major differences you can expect from us. Is there any option of classroom in-person teaching, especially for it is unfortunately not possible. Reason being, you will be learning by the different trainers. So as I said, the person who is a head of agency and she is teaching you from Chandigarh, the another trainer who is again brand marketing for various different brands, who is consulting to brands, she will be teaching you from Pune, Maharashtra. Noman, the trainer who is working in Densu, and he is handling their digital marketing in Densu, he will be the one teaching you from Hyderabad. Company founder, he's teaching you from Delhi, right? So all these trainers who will be teaching you from different location. So I cannot club them on a one particular location. So yes, if you want to compromise with the learning, anyone can teach you, then definitely you can go to any classroom. And those classroom has one specific trainer who will be teaching you everything from A to Z. Can we get help from teachers available when we need? Of course, yes. So that is the advantage. So I have shown you one note here, guys. I teach myself website designing. So when I teach website designing, people every day comes to me and ask me the different question, and I help them. So how I help them? If even if you go through this, let's say class PPT, this document, this one. So when I click on this one, this document, what people can go through their LMS, they can simply check out my email ID, my phone number, all these things are mentioned here. So they connect with me after their session to ask me any queries. So similar way, other trainers also share their details and to you guys can connect with them. Apart from this, we also have our like WhatsApp number available. That WhatsApp number will be helping you to get connected with the teams, right? Your mentors, and they will help you to get connected with the trainers as well. So yes, it is possible, Tethi, which is not possible in any other institute. You cannot have a direct access to the trainers. Are you affiliated with the IIMs? No, I just simply said we are different. We are IIM skills, which is into professional skills. We are not IIM business school, right? Any other queries you guys have? Simply, if yes, write down in the chat box. If no, then we can quickly end this session if all doubts are clear and solved. Perfect, perfect, Richa. Okay, so thanks everyone. Thanks for your time and looking forward to see you enrolling in the program. So you simply can connect with your counselor to get the link for making your fee payment. They can get connected with you. Kindly do it today if you want to avail this 10% discount. So they will be helping you to go ahead and make yourself enroll, right? So thanks everyone. Happy Independence Day to all of you, as it is Indian Independence Day tomorrow. So it is in advance. I am like sharing this wishes to all of you. So be independent in your life, learn a new skill. Okay, guys, perfect. Now we can good to end this session. Goodbye to all of you. Have a great day ahead.